Right? Last day we discussed about basics of Scratch, and we even wrote small program to do something in Scratch. And today let's learn more about Scratch and do some more exercises, and you can do some innovative programming also. So I know there are some students who are really capable of doing this, and they have, some of you have even developed games. That is great. But the thing is, we have to think about all the others. Therefore, I'll start from the beginning and explain one by one. Gradually, we can develop a game or develop story or develop some advanced animations using this. For the moment, let's do the basic part or the basic things. Okay, so when it comes to Scratch programming, so the first thing that you should consider is a moving or the motions. So when it comes to the Scratch programming, the first thing that you have to consider is motions. Okay, so let me go to the Scratch, the beginning, and I'm going to take a new one. Right, now you can see I'm going to create a new one, start creating, and you can also follow the same link. So here's the link, and I'm sending this to you all. So please follow the same link. And you can get this workspace. Okay, the first thing that I would like to know is, so basically under Scratch. So let me go to the Scratch program. And what is the, so first thing that I want to know is sprite location of the Scratch. So what is the sprite location? Sprite means this one. Sprite means the cat here. So sprite you can change, right? Sprite time to time you can change. So if you don't like cat, you can just click on this erasing icon. Here you can see erasing icon, press karla. You can remove the cat. And then you can add, here you have the plus icon. You can select any sprite that you like. Okay, I'll select bear as the sprite. Or if you don't like bear, just remove it and you can add another sprite.
So how to change the character?
So that's what I was telling, right? So if you want to, okay, let's say beetle. Here you have to erase this. The current character, if you don't like, making erase current, you can click on this and it erase it. Then you can click on this icon here, choose a sprite. There's an icon called choose a sprite. You can go that and change the sprite. So that is how you change the sprite. Okay. Right. So if you don't like the cat, change it. The next thing is, what is the zeroth position of this? Where's the 0, 0 position? X0, Y0 position. So I just want to know that. Anyone, can you tell? Where is X0 and Y0? You can tell me.
In the middle. In the middle.
In the middle, yes. Here you can mention X0 and Y also 0. You can just erase and type 0. Then you can see the 0, 0 position that is in the middle. X0, Y0 position in the middle. When you go up, you can see Y is increasing. When you go up, Y is increasing. When you go right, X is increasing. When you go left, X is decreasing. When you go down, Y is also decreasing. So let's write this, right? Its center. When you move right side, X will be increased. When you move, please write. Topic is Scratch location, sprite location of the Scratch. Sprite means the character. It's in the center. It's in the center. When you move right, X will be increased. When you move up, Y will be incremented. Moving down will decrement Y. Moving down will decrement Y. And moving left will decrement X. So that is what happened when you move in. That is what happened when you move this right. Finish writing.
No, sir.
Write down quickly. So let me show more in this move window. Here, move 10 steps. So you can't use this alone. You have to use this with the event. When mouse clicked or when this flag clicks, you can move 10 steps. Then when you click the flag, you can see it's moving. So if you want to press a key and move, then you can use this one. In the event, you can press, when space key is pressed, move 10 steps. Then you can see when space press, it's moving. Or you can press minus, it's moving left side. Right? It's the X direction basically. So if you want to go up and the Y direction, you can apply this one, X and Y direction. If you want to change X and Y direction both, you can just erase this, delete this and use X and Y direction. So then you can say go to X. Let's say I'm going to define a place. Go to X 0, Y 0. When you press space, it will go to the 0, 0 position. When you press the flag, it's moving, but press space 0, 0. When you press the flag, it's moving, space 0, 0 position. Likewise, you can change the positions, or you can even change the degree. So you can move to the 0, 0 position and turn 15 degrees. And here pressing space, now you can see it's rotating. Continuously pressing space, it's rotating because rotating 15 degrees. If you want to make this smooth, let's say 4 degrees, small movement. Now it's more smooth. If you want to make it faster, more. Now 90 degrees, full rotation. Right, rather than moving, so there's another thing. So moving can be replaced with glide. Glide means you slowly move. Let's move to the 0, 0 position slowly here. When you press twice, it's animating. 0, 0, it's animating. You can slow it down, right? Glide, let's say glide 10 seconds. Now slowly going. When you press space, slowly moving. That is called gliding. Right, anyway, turn right, turn left, glide in, move into XY positions, glide to XY position, and glide to random, go to random position. What is that? Go to random position. What will happen if you go to random position? Can you predict the next position it goes? Or is it random? Here you can't predict the next position, right? When you press space, okay, appear in here, there, right there, over there. Okay, so it's randomly moving here and there in the stage. When you put random, randomly move in the space, and you can randomly glide, right? Randomly glide here, randomly gliding. Then you can see, okay, so this can be used in games, no? To move to the random positions, you can use it in the games. Right. And so, okay, now that is enough. So let's do small thing. Right, follow me, right? Follow me and do the same. I'm going to remove this, glide and remove these two. Make a one click color delete karana the remove click color me then also remove. And remove the sprite, this sprite, and please add another sprite. I'm going to add another sprite, that is this balloon. Okay, sprite 1 is balloon. And I need another sprite. So keeping this sprite, I'm going to add another sprite without deleting that, that is Ben. Now you have Ben and balloon. Right, now you have Ben and balloon. So what I want balloon to do, I want to move this balloon randomly or glide randomly. I select the balloon. Here I'll select the balloon and I'll move the balloon. I'll glide it randomly. Okay, when space key is pressed, I want to glide the balloon randomly. Okay, now you can see balloon is gliding. It's moving randomly. So what I want to do is, I want Ben to go and capture the balloon. Right? I want Ben to move and capture the balloon. Right, I'll give you few minutes. Can you try to do this? So now you can see balloon is gliding. It's going here and there. Okay, Ben also you can press when you press space. You can glide the Ben also when you press space. You can glide the Ben also, but that is not my expectation. I need, so when I press space now, Ben is gliding, balloon is also gliding. But what I really want, I want Ben to capture the balloon. Catch it. Come on, Ben, catch it. Catch it. But it's not happening, right? So what do you want to do? So spend few minutes and try to do this. I want Ben to capture the balloon. Can you do this? Or you need help? Can you try this or you need help? Come on, you have to answer.
Cancer.
Okay, you're saying can, right? Okay.
Cancer.
So Dimat, Anadi, Aditi, can you do?
Cancer.
Okay, good. Right, let's do it then. Let's quickly do this. And you can share the screen, right? Once you are done, you can tell me, then I'll let you share the screen and show these steps to the others.
Sir, I found it.
Sir,
I have done, sir.
Oh, great. So can you share it? So let's.
I also did.
Right, okay. You can share the screen now. Come on, you can share the screen now. And show this to others. Yes, Hiruka, anyone who has done? Anyone who has done this, kindly share the screen. Okay, now I can still it's logged in Hiruka. Okay. Can you show? He's not capturing, no. I want Ben to capture the balloon, catch the balloon. Hiruka, he's not capturing the balloon. I cannot see the capturing part, that's why.
Sir, can I show?
Sure, Minul, yes. Can you share the screen with me?
Sir, I can't share the screen.
Now you can. Now you can try. Okay. Right. So you are gliding to the random position, right? Okay. When space, okay, when you press the space, okay, I want to see that balloon is moving clearly, then this character should move and capture the balloon. When space is pressed, okay, so go to the balloon code eකට balloon එක code එකට. Okay, when this is glide into the random position, okay, then Ben ke code එකට යන්න. Please go to the Ben's code. Ben, when space is go to balloon 1. Okay, go to balloon 1, right? This is balloon, then Ben. Right, press it. But it's like it's not capturing, both are moving together. It seems like both are moving together that side.
Sir, I can show it.
Oh, Inuka. Kaatad pennana puluwan. Sorry?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Inuka. So can you show it then? Right, okay. Balloon is glide into the random position and Ben. See,
Sir, this
Ben,
is not moving.
Ben ke eකට යන්න. Okay. Now, yes, both are moving, but the Ben should capture the balloon. So that's what I really expect. Ben should capture the balloon. Both are moving, but those are not capturing the balloon. So the minus one is okay, but so it's not capturing, right? It's not capturing, but it's moving together. Okay, so you have to try a little. So I'll give a clue, right? I'll give a help. Right, I'll give a small help, then you can try. Now Ben is there, balloon is there. But what I want to get the position of the balloon. So before actually capturing the balloon, I just want to, when I press space. So here I'll go to Ben and I'm going to change the key. Ben's key, Ben ki key ek B dano. When I press Ben, B only, Ben is moving. Then balloon, when I press space, balloon is moving. When I press B, Ben is moving. Now two keys, right? When I press space, balloon is moving. When I press B, Ben is moving. Now Ben is responding to one key and balloon is responding to another key. B for Ben here. Ben, when B is pressed, Ben is gliding. When space is pressed, balloon is gliding. But I want to glide Ben to the balloon's position. So that can be done in this way, right? See here, when I move the balloon, you can see X and Y positions changing. When I move the balloon, X and Y positions changing. Move the balloon, X and Y positions changing. Here, when I move the balloon, X and Y positions changing. I'll keep this X and Y positions here. So this is the X position and Y position. I can keep this in some variables. Last day we did variables, right? I can go to variables, make a variable, and I'll create balloon for BALX, balloon X for all sprites. Okay. And I'll create another variable, balloon Y for all sprites. Okay. Now I have two variables, one for balloon and one for Ben. Actually, sorry, two variables, balloon X and balloon Y. So what I'm going to do when moving this balloon, I'm going to set balloon X to the position X. In the motion, you can select X position. When I move the balloon, I'll set balloon Y to the position of Y. This way, I'll remember the position of balloon X and balloon Y. Now see, when I move by pressing space, you can see X and Y is remembered in these two variables. When I move, X and Y remembered. When I move, X and Y remembered. When I move, X and Y is there. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this X and Y to glide, bend. Now, instead of gliding, bend randomly, I'm gliding, bend to this variable balloon X and balloon's Y position. Now you can see when I press space, balloon is gliding. When I press B, bend is gliding. Press space, balloon is gliding. Press B, bend is gliding. Press space, balloon is gliding. Press B, bend is gliding. Press space, balloon is gliding. Press B, bend is gliding. Now bend is gliding to the balloon's position. But it seems like bend is not capturing it. It's not capturing, right? So what I can do, I have to move little bit down and little bit. So something like this. I have to move bend in such a way that bend is catching the balloon like this. Not to the same X and Y position given by the balloon. Little lower than the Y position. Little actually left side than the X position. So that I'll keep to you. Okay, now you can see the both codes. This one and this one. Then අර balloon එක අල්ල ගන්නවා වගේ පෙන්නන තැනට ඒ වැඩේ කරන්න බලන්න try එකක් දෙන්න. So I suggest you to use operations. This one. Addition, subtraction operation. I suggest you. You can try this now. Give a try. Now balloon should be moving and bend should be moving to the balloon's direction. Here how balloon is moving. I have created two variables, that is balloon X and balloon Y. So under balloon X and balloon Y, I'm setting these variables. And in the bend, I'm referring to the same variables and moving the or gliding into the same X and Y. So shall we do this? Okay, try this now. Try this down and let me know once you're done. But try to move to the exact position like this, right? Show that Ben, show that Ben is capturing the balloon. Ben balloon එක අල්ල ගන්නවා වගේ පෙන්නන්න. That's what I want. Small things, small thing. Just give a try. If it is difficult, let me know, then I can help. Right, okay. So go to the balloon. Go to the balloon menu. Go to the balloon first.
Sir, I did it. I tried it, but it's hard.
It's hard. Okay, go to balloon first. Balloon එක ටැම්. Right, under balloon, when A key is pressed, okay, glide to the, so don't use glide to bend. Oh, don't use that. No, not yeah, balloon is going to the random position, that is correct. Otherwise, balloon is gliding to bend. So then it's like unnecessary thing. So balloon is gliding to one random position, okay. That random position will be remembered by set balloon's X position to, so go to the, then go to the motion. Please go to the motion. Motion කියන එකට යන්න. ඕක කොහොමම තියලා motion එකට යන්න. So balloon's X position, now scroll down a little, පල්ලයට පොඩ්ඩක් යන්න. Scroll down a little. A little again, a little more. Now you can see the X position, right? X position, right? Okay. Set balloon's X position to the X position. Please drag this and put that X position. So that is the X value. Balloon's X position to the X position. And balloon's Y position to the Y position. Okay, other two you erase. It's not required. And please drag it. Right, that is also not required. Just erase them. Okay. Now you have taken the X position. This balloon X position. Second one also balloon X position. Second one balloon Y position. No. Bal Y. Bal Y should be bal Y. No, that one. That variable you have changed bal Y. No. Cancel it. Not rename. Don't rename. Cancel it. Drop down and select bal Y. Drop down. Again, drop down. So same position that you have used. Click on the arrow. Not that one, Pute. The previous second one. That one, right? Select bal Y. That is the one. Okay, now you have the positions remembered. Right, good. Okay, now you go to Ben. Ben is acting according to those variables. Now, see, erase all these things. Just put space enough. When press space, others you have to erase other things. No need. Erase that one also. Okay, use the glide to XY position. Not that. Just go up, scroll up. Be in the same position, scroll up. Now you can see glide to XY. No, not that. Glide to XY. Not that one. All right, that one. Then go to the variables. And now you have to give the X and Y positions from that variables. Here. X should be bal X. Bal X variable එක දාන්න next. ඒක තමයි X ගේ balloon එකේ X එක. Balloon එකේ Y එක. ඒ දෙක තමයි අපි අර balloon එකෙන් ගත්තේ. Now press space key. Are you pressing space key?
Yes, sir.
Okay, press A key first. A key එක press කරන්න. Okay, balloon is moving now. Now press okay, now Ben is moving. Balloon is moving, Ben is moving. Okay. Press A key, balloon is moving. Then press B key, Ben is moving. Right, okay, now it's working. It's working. Only thing is you have to do a little more. Don't manually set it up. Now it's happening. A key එක press කරන්න බලන්න. A key. Press A key. Okay, balloon is moving. A key දිගටම ගහන්න එපා පුතේ. එකපාරක් ගහන්නකො A key. Right. Now press space key. Okay, Ben is moving. Press A key. Balloon is moving. Press space. Ben is moving. Press A key. Balloon is moving. Press space. Ben is moving. Right. Okay. So that's what you want. Now it's happening. So anyone else need the help?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anyone else need the help? Seems no one, right?
Excuse me, sir. How to make Ben catching the balloon?
So the last part, this part.
Yes.
Okay. So other part, okay. Aditi, Devmi, what about the other?
Sir, I have done, sir.
Right, you can show.
Sir, I have done.
Okay.
Sir, can I show?
Yes, sure. You can share. Come on. Okay. Okay, good. So please press. Okay. Right, it's catching. Yeah, he's catching. Exactly. That's what I want. He's catching the balloon. Good. Very good. So can others, can you share? Hari, eya kalla thina Hari. Hiruka has done this now. Anyone else who need help or wish to share their content? Come on, guys. Be alive. Right? You have to either tell, sir, I need help. I couldn't do that. So Ben is moving in Ben's own direction. Or Ben is sleeping. Even I want to move the Ben, Ben is sleeping. Likewise, you have to tell. Then only I can help, right? Otherwise, you won't learn.
Sir,
Yes.
I can't do that, but I do the sir. I do the.
Have you
I
done?
share the screen.
Okay, you can share the screen. Right, Aditi, now you can share the screen. Baran, share kar. Okay. Now press right. So go to the balloon. Go to the balloon. And when space is balloon next to, okay, balloon next to the X position, balloon Y position seems. Press space. Space press karan bala. Okay. Yes, it's moving. Go to Ben. Press B. Okay, Ben is going behind the balloon. So that's okay. Right? It's happening, no? So what you have to do? How to do that? You can go to the operators. Go to operators now. Go to operators. Right? Then use the subtract. Subtract. Just drag and drop it on the balloon X. Balloon X. Balloon X. Right now, balloon X, you drag and drop to the first circle. Balloon X drag the first circle. Oh, no. Apo dala. Balloon X, so first circle. Right, okay. Not to both, right? For the first circle. First circle, right, okay. Now, subtract minus like X minus like, okay, minus 60. Just put 60. Right. So again, put now try to move the balloon. Space to move the balloon and B to move the Ben. Space check again. Okay, balloon is moving. Ben. Right. Okay, Ben is moving now. Little bit okay. Right now, balloon Y. Y ka hadan ne pe udar palla adanne Y. Y ka hadan subtract and put yes, balloon Y minus just put 60. Same. You need to move a little bit down. So you have to test, right? Okay, now try. Try to put a space to move the balloon. Then, okay. Oh, little bit away. X, I think you have to make 40. X minus 40. Just put figures and see. Now, try it. Okay. X 35. 35. X 35. No. Y 55 then. X 40 Harry. Y 55 then. Just put Y 55. Okay, likewise you can just try, right? Just try. Okay. A little, right? So likewise, adjust this, and I think 50 will be okay. It seems 50 will be okay for Y. Right? Can just give and see. 50 would be okay. Oh, yes. Capturing, right? Okay, likewise you have to. So this is what programming is, right? In programming, basically you have to try this. Trying is the only way to write the program.